In this video, I will show you how to type an arrow in Google Docs on Mac. You can type different types of arrows as shown here. Let's get started. In the first method, you can go up to the insert option and you will see here option special characters. Go ahead and click on it and you will see this insert special character window. And now here in search by keyword, just type arrow and you will see different types of arrows. You can just click on them to insert them one by one in Google Docs. Now there is one more method. You can go up to the insert option, click on equation, and now you will see this equation toolbar. Under the arrows, you can see different types of arrows. You can just click on them. Comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And check out these useful videos shown on screen. See you again in the next video.